Nearly 45% of the world struggles with sleep, but some cultures have bizarre yet fascinating ways to catch Z's. From napping on trains in Japan to babies snoozing outside in freezing Nordic air, humans have invented some seriously creative sleep hacks. Sleep is universal, but the way we do it isn't. Exploring unique sleep rituals gives us insight into different cultures, the human body, and believe it or not, some surprisingly effective ways to rest better. Modern life is tough on sleep. Stress, screens, and irregular schedules leave almost half the world tossing and turning. Chronic poor sleep is linked to fatigue, lower immunity, and even heart issues. But across the globe, people have developed rituals, some odd, some ingenious, that address sleep problems in ways science is only now validating. In Japan, napping in public is called inamuri, meaning sleeping while present. Workers doze off at their desks, on trains, or even in meetings. It's not laziness, it signals dedication while recharging the brain. Short naps of 15 to 20 minutes reduce cortisol levels and improve alertness by up to 30%. That's a productivity hack the rest of the world could learn from. Across Scandinavia, babies nap outside in strollers, even in sub-zero temperatures. Wrapped warmly, they enjoy fresh air and daylight exposure. This is part of the broader concept of hygge, or creating comfort and well-being. Research shows outdoor napping can strengthen immunity and regulate melatonin cycles. Cold exposure may also increase brown fat activity, improving energy metabolism. The Maasai people in Kenya and Tanzania sleep on cowhide stretched over wooden frames. Sounds primitive? Think again. Firm surfaces promote spinal alignment, reduce tossing and turning, and can actually improve sleep quality. Studies show that medium firm sleeping surfaces help maintain proper posture and relieve pressure points. So your sinking memory foam mattress might not be doing you any favors. The famous siesta isn't just cultural, it's biological. Around 2 p.m., a natural circadian dip makes us sleepy. Taking a short nap restores alertness and productivity for the rest of the day. A 15-20 minute nap can boost memory consolidation and reaction time without leaving you groggy. Perhaps the most unusual yet restorative ritual is Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. People spend time in forests, breathing in fresh air, listening to nature, and sometimes napping outdoors. Studies show this reduces cortisol, lowers blood pressure, and even improves sleep quality. Sometimes the best sleep hack isn't a gadget, it's a tree. These rituals show one thing clearly. Sleep isn't one size fits all. Culture, environment, and biology all play a role. And science is finally catching up to these traditional practices, validating why some bizarre-sounding habits actually work. So whether it's napping in public, freezing babies in the snow, firm cowhide beds, or forest therapy, there's a lesson here. Listening to your body and environment matters more than any mattress ad or sleep gadget. From inamuri to forest bathing, the world's sleep rituals are strange, fascinating, and surprisingly effective. They remind us that good sleep often comes from understanding our bodies and a little creativity. What's your favorite sleep ritual or your own unusual hack? Share it in the comments and check out our next video for more amazing cultural practices. Sleep well and stay curious.